Hello, I am here at the Waldorf Astoria in Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to show you our room. We just got here, haven't touched anything, so just to let you know, this is what you can expect. Okay, so this is what we see coming in the room. We have luggage closet immediately to the right of the door. It's not actually large enough to fit all of our luggage. And then here's our bathroom. I noticed that you can't turn on the light without turning on the fan. In order to turn on the light, we get beautiful noise. And here's a soaking tub with a towel that fell off from the door hitting it. As far as the toiletries go, in the shower, here we go with Salvatore Ferragamo. I gotta at least pretend to be fancy. Let's give it a smell. Honestly, I don't smell much. Let's try the body wash. The Ferragamo products don't really seem to have too much of a smell. Turn off that fan and walk around in the dark. So you have some emergency cottons, your shower cap, lotion, and soap. Honestly, quite basic room. They say that you got 2 free bottles of water, and I think the way that we booked, we get $50 of drinks per room. So you have an espresso, and let's see what our view is. Okay. So this is our view. Pretty nice. That impresses me.